Nochmal, war nicht gut genug. Hier steht der Name. Ja. Ja.
Denn wir wollen ihn jetzt hier vorne haben.
Klar.
Für euch der DSDS-Gewinner 2009. Lauter! Hier ist er für euch. Viel Spaß! Courage 2009 mit Daniel Schuhmacher!
Here comes the rain again, falling on my head like a memory, falling on my head like a new emotion. I want to walk in the open air, I want to talk like lovers do, want to dive into your ocean. Is it raining with you? So baby, talk to me. Like lovers do. Walk with me. Like lovers do. Talk to me. Like lovers do. Here comes the rain again, laying on my head like a tragedy, tearing me apart like a new emotion. I want to breathe in the open air, I want to kiss like lovers do, I want to dive into your ocean. Is it raining with you? So baby, talk to me like lovers do. Walk with me like lovers do. Talk to me like lovers do. Liebe letzte Plätze! Yeah.